I wanted to jump on here really quick and show you how to create a calendar page so people can start booking you for appointments. So what you're going to want to do is first you want to make sure that you have your appointments set. We do have an informational video on how to do this, how to create your booking event. So I'm just going to use one of our current booking events for now. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over into your builder and you are going to create a new page. Now we have a number of different pages here. I usually just create an empty page because it's pretty simple what you're gonna try and do. I'm gonna name this one test, schedule, and then you're gonna make sure that it's public and you're going to add. Now here we are left with a blank page, and the only thing you're gonna have to do is actually add the widget that is the booking widget. So here we are, we're gonna add this widget. And then it's going to ask you to select your booking event. So let's go with kickoff call, right? We can change the booking design and layout to fit however you would like it to. You can also add anything to this page. You can change the heading font. You can change the body font. You can change step settings if you'd like. Form style, summary styling, you connect it to your email marketing, anything that you would like, you can tag your contacts. What I usually like to do also is I just add a header of some sort, maybe a subtext here, and name it whatever you want. I also like to bring it down from the header. That is not what I meant to do. I'm just messing things up. So I usually bring it down to like 100, just because, just give it some space, like give it a moment to breathe. Same at the bottom. I like to just pull down. You can add a spacer if you want for this too, but let's say this is kickoff call. Book your kick. You can name it whatever you want. You can center this the same as if you're always editing on our site. And then put some information here like after you book your call with me, you'll receive an email with further instructions. You know, zhuzh it up a little. So here we are, we're gonna center this and bam, there you go. Be sure to save and then see right up here, always, that is with your oh goodness, sorry. That is with your test button. Also, if you want to attach it to a thank you page, or add photos, you could add photos. You can do all that within the settings or in the booking event itself. So in the appointment event, after they book the event, you can send them to a page. So let's do like the kickoff call. There is the confirmation page. You can actually default to confirmation message or send them to a custom page if you send them to that custom thank you page if you want that full user experience to be available for you. All right, if you have any other questions, let us know in the comments below or message us on Digital Course Hive.